Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll convert CAD drawings to PDF using Power Automate. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the demo. Here my friends, I have a CAD file in my SharePoint. When I open the file, the CAD file looks like this. However, I want to convert this CAD file into a PDF and store it in a different folder. We can automate the process using Power Automate. So here, my friends, I'm in make.powerautomate.com. I'll click on create. I'll click on automated flow. I'll click on skip. And here I will select the trigger as SharePoint. Is I want to trigger a flow when a file is created or modified. So I'll click on this. So I'll select the source site where the file resides and I'll select the library. Next, I want to get the file content from my SharePoint. So I'll again type in SharePoint and then I'll select the identifier, which is the output of the when a file is created or modified properties only action. Now that I have the file content, the next step is where the real magic happens. So I'll type in Muhimbi and I'll select CAD. Here I'll add in the source file name, that is the file name with extension, again the output of the trigger, file content, which is the output of the action above. Here I can specify a paper size. I can also specify a custom paper size, for example a paper size that is not available in the drop down. I can specify the margins. I can specify the background color as well as the foreground color. If I have a custom foreground color, I can specify it. I can say what to do with the empty layouts. Do I want to skip the empty layouts? Do I want to just have all of them printed? Do I want to skip the layouts without a viewport? Do I want to do that? I can also sort the layouts in ascending and descending. I can specify a start page and an end page, and I can also specify an override settings. Override settings are optional. If a setting is not exposed using an UI, only then you will specify an override setting. That being said, let's leave it at default and let's go ahead and create our file back in SharePoint. So here I will add the site address and then I will select the folder to which I want to write the file back to. I'll say base file name, that is the file name without extension, and I'll set the file content to processed file content. I'll give my Power Automate a meaningful name and I'll click on save. So at this point, let me first delete this file. So now let's test our flow and this should trigger our Power Automate and our flow has completed. So let's quickly go and check the output folder. So here you have a CAD diagram converted to PDF. So let me quickly open it and view the PDF. Perfect. Let's go and try a different setting and let's look at the output. Let's go and try to change the background color to green. And let's see the output. So I'll set it to green. I'll go and change my base file name to base file name -green. And let's quickly test our flow again. So I'll save my flow and I'll test my flow, but this time with the previous run. And let's look at the output. Perfect. So let me go back into the PDFs folder. Here I have PDF diagram green. Let me try to open it in a browser and let's see the output. And here you see you have the background set as green. So the Muhimbi PDF converter is flexible and provides you a large number of settings with which you can go and tweak your output. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope this demo was informative. Thank you for your time and bye-bye.